guys, and welcome to Tune. As we promised you, we're going to teach you Tunisian expressions every day. So please
subscribe to get other videos.
Subscribe.
go.
Hi everybody, this is our first lesson. So, when you first meet somebody, just say, hi, how are you? So this is actually going to be our first lesson. We have got, hi, how are you? But in Arabic, it's going to be two words. Like, aslema, shnahwelik. It's actually a question. And after, we have the aslema and then shnahwelik.
Okay. Yeah. So how do you make that sound at the beginning in Arabic?
It's ouch, I don't know. Ouch!
Okay.
Aslema and then shnahwelik.
And this sound, yeah.
It's like hot.
Okay.
It's hot. It's not colder. Aslema and shnahwelik. Okay, I'm gonna repeat it again. Aslema, shnahwelik. It's actually a question. Aslema, shnahwelik. We're done.